Hello friends, welcome to Sobernia Store channel. My today's video is all about a well-known sweet flavored and aromatic spice plant that has a royal touch. This spice plant was considered as a gift of God and was treated with high esteem. Yes, it is the truth. History shows that the ancient Egyptians believed that this unique herbal spice plant is a grace from God for kings and emperors. They used this sweet-scented herb for embalming the royal rulers. Yes, I am talking about the sweet-scented cinnamon, which is also known in other names such as Ceylon cinnamon and cassia cinnamon. The story of this aromatic spice goes back to Arabian traders who took this spice from Asian shores to European countries, where it became a highly priced rare commodity for cooking, baking, and preserving meat and other spicy items. Gradually, people's craze for the rich aroma and sweet fragrance of cinnamon increased substantially, and that paved way for a spurt in cinnamon trade. Today, cinnamon is one of the most essential spices used world over in almost all savory and dessert cuisines. The truth for the overwhelming demand for this spice is that the rich and delicate, pleasant flavor and sweet aroma of cinnamon can make any ordinary food special and awesomely delicious and tasty. There are a lot to know about this wonderful spice, and therefore please see the video fully. Okay, let us see the plant closely. Cinnamon is scientifically known as Cinnamomum verum, is an evergreen bush tree native to Sri Lanka and Malabar coast of Kerala, India. This spice plant is also cultivated in South America, West Indies regions and Myanmar. There are two varieties of cinnamon. They are famous Ceylon cinnamon and the cassia cinnamon. Of these, Ceylon cinnamon is considered to be the best. Though there is similarity in these, identifying them is not difficult, as Ceylon cinnamon has tan brown color while cassia variety has reddish dark brown color. Besides, Ceylon cinnamon is comparatively thin and with multiple layers. Spice lovers and traders always look for the best and rarest Ceylon cinnamon, known as Alba cinnamon, made from the finest and thinner bark of Ceylon cinnamon trees, though they are costly. There are some other types of cinnamon, known as Saigon cinnamon and Koringe cinnamon. These are almost similar in coumarin content and color. Cassia variety is said to be a China native type belonging to Cinnamomum cassia plant, which is much cheaper. As I have already said, cinnamon in different forms were in use around the world for many years. People really love the freshly baked cinnamon cookies, the sweet-smelling cinnamon powder sprinkled breakfast toast, and the coffee or lattes, as these taste awesome. Cinnamon makes the savory food more spicy, aromatic and tasty, and dessert cuisines more fragrant. The most important thing is that cinnamon do not suppress the flavor of other spices and change the original taste. They can very well pair with cloves, coriander, green cardamom, black pepper, coconut milk and other ingredients and give the dish a rich taste. This sweet-smelling spice can also refresh our house, restaurant and hotel kitchens with its fragrance. Cinnamon has many other uses. Cinnamon supplement capsules are sometimes used as it has health-promoting effects. As a herb, every part of this ordinary-looking blessed medicinal plant is very precious. These plants, enriched with medicinal properties, can do wonders in our health. The aromatic bark, fruits, leaves, roots, and flowers are used as traditional herbal medicine for thousands of years all over the world. For many people, it would be amazing to know that Ceylon cinnamon has high antioxidants that can be helpful in handling free body radicals and reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. According to reports available, cinnamon contains calcium, magnesium, potassium, carbohydrates, iron, and phosphorus. Potassium is said to be helpful in nerve function and to counteract sodium's effect on our blood pressure and can regulate the heart rate. Besides, magnesium and calcium are said to be effective in maintaining healthy heartbeat. Studies show that cinnamon included in daily diet can help to maintain normal blood sugar level and strong bones. Cinnamon is also said to be helpful to our brains as it can reduce inflammation, enhance memory, and cognitive processing. In Ayurveda, cinnamon has great importance. Cinnamon is generally used for treating flu, cough, and indigestion. Now, a word of caution. Cinnamon is very powerful herb and it has cellulose, a substance that does not break down easily. Therefore, cinnamon must be used very carefully and judiciously, as excess use can cause serious health complications. Let us now see how cinnamon trees can be propagated in containers and in the open. Cinnamon trees are generally grown from cuttings or through air layering methods, as plants grown from seeds have genetic variability and is a time-consuming process. For growing the plants from seeds, the seeds collected must be fresh and healthy and free from disease. For growing from cuttings, it is better to take a cutting of about 6 to 8 inches long, remove the leaves at the lower sides and plant them in a well-moist soil. Regular watering is needed in the initial stage of growth, and watering can be gradually reduced till the top soil is dry. Cinnamon is a tropical plant and can be grown in almost all soils, but well-drained loamy soil with adequate open space and full sunlight can grace them to flourish. Cinnamon trees grows to a height of about 50 to 60 feet with foliage covering around 15 to 20 feet wide. Growing cinnamon in containers can be done as bonsai plant, but collecting bark from them would be a problem. Cinnamon plants need 2 to 3 years time to develop fully. Evergreen cinnamon tree leaves are aromatic, leathery, thick and have shiny surface. They are oval or lanceolate in shape. Young leaves are very tender, aromatic and red in color. New leaves are developed from the smooth branches. People often confuse about cinnamon leaves with bay leaves. Both are used in the same way to flavor curries, stews, spicy pilafs and other dishes, but cinnamon leaves have a distinct and different flavor from bay leaves. In India, both bay leaves and cinnamon leaves are used, but in special dishes they always add cinnamon. Cinnamon trees generally flower in summer season. Flowers are small, bisexual and greenish to yellow and are in panicles. Cinnamon tree fruits are small, very tight with golden yellow color. They are aromatic and very sweet and warm. These fruits contain essential oil, cinnamic aldehyde, which is said to be antibacterial and antifungal agent used in a variety of health and beauty products. Cinnamon is an excellent rooting agent and can be useful as a hormone rooting powder. Its application on stem cuttings can stimulate and boost up rooting process. Use of cinnamon in garden also can be beneficial, as cinnamon is an antifungal spice. When the tree is matured and ready, harvesting is done. The brown bark and the green leaves indicates the readiness of plant for harvesting. Harvesting is a long process which starts with the cutting of branches or parts of the tree. The outermost surface is then removed with a scraper and cinnamon barks are removed in layers as sheets. These sheets are then cleaned, dried and rolled up before cutting and grinding them to make smooth and fine cinnamon powder for use. Like many other trees, cinnamon tree also face attack of insects. Among them, cinnamon butterfly is the most horrible pest. The larvae of these butterflies voraciously eat the tender shoots, which adversely affect the plant growth. Besides, there is cinnamon gallmite and root knot nematode that affect these spice plants. There are plant diseases like leaf spot, dieback, stripe canker and seedling blight that affect cinnamon plants and trees. Use of effective and recommended insecticides and keeping vigil over the plant regularly to a great extent can save the trees from these enemies. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video informative, please like, subscribe and share this video. We at Sobernia grow exotic and rare plants in our home garden. I will be back with details of another plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Once again, thank you. God bless you and bye.